Hi, this is Dylan with RepairSpots. Today in this video we're going to be going over our newest integration into our platform, AKKO. AKKO is one of the leading protection plans companies within the US. And by selling these coverages within your store, you can easily generate more revenue streams while also offering a service that your customers wouldn't have otherwise. To get started with AKKO and the simplicity of using it within RepairSpots, we'll simply go over to the settings page and more and go to our integrations. We can also go to this panel right here for AKKO. Once opened, we can put our AKKO merchant ID right here in this text field and enable the integration. If you are not yet set up as an AKKO merchant, you can go to the Setup Help button here and you can go to Get Started so that you can register for your merchant account with AKKO. Now, let's go talk about how this will work from RepairSpots. First of all, if you ever want to sell an AKKO plan, you can easily go to the home menu with the integration turned on, and you can find the AKKO button right here to get started in setting up a plan. Setting up a plan is very easy for a customer. First, we'll go to Add Coverage. We'll select the customer who's going to be obtaining this coverage from your store. We'll choose the coverage that they're obtaining. After selecting one, you'll get a brief description of what that plan covers and what's included and how much this costs. Next, we'll choose the phone number of the customer, if it does not yet exist, and an email if it's not provided on the customer account. Afterwards, we'll put the card information that's going to be used for the customer's monthly subscription with the service. And once you're finished, you can proceed to continue creating that AKKO coverage. Once complete, the customer will be receiving an email with the details regarding their AKKO coverage that they signed up for, and they can continue to filing any claims they need or anything through AKKO themselves. So once that customer is enrolled into that plan, they'll no longer need to be returning to the store for anything related to AKKO. Another way that the AKKO coverage can be brought in is by doing a checkout for a repair. So if we go to one of our repairs here, and we'll go to checkout, and we'll continue to payment. Now, once we are collecting this payment from the customer, on this screen here, we'll now be able to also add an AKKO coverage. We'll automatically bring in the customer from the repair, and we can continue to filling out the information for this coverage. We're also able to add a coverage anytime that we do a sale on a device. So, if we go to the checkout screen, and we put a device up for sale, and process that transaction, we'll also be able to add an AKKO coverage on this sale. Making sure that your business has multiple revenue streams is very important, and so I encourage everyone who's able to try out the AKKO integration and find out if AKKO is a good fit for your store and your customer base.